within IntelliJ under customer package, I also would like to create a class, and the class is customer service. Right now, go back to the customer controller. So what I am going to do is we will test this get customer method and paste it inside the customer service in here. Then go back to the controller, and this logic C will be gone. Now, to able make the controller talk to the service, we need to do is private final customer service, and then add it into the constructor. So we are using dependency injection in here. I will explain this concept later on. The next thing I would like to do is reference to customer service and then get customer method in here. So now you can see is our code is much cleaner and better approach. In this service, we only have the business logic in create customer. Let's run again. So we have error in here. Application failed to start. And the description is the customer controller require a pin of customer service that could not be found. I understood this error because we are using dependency injection in here. And let me explain a little bit about dependency injection as we perform it because this concept is very important to understand when you building application using Swing and Spring Boot.